Another one. Got them. 3 kills. Oh yeah, guys. I actually said it. And it happened. I actually wanted like 3 kills to come out. And I got them, guys. And yeah, guys, like, please can you subscribe, like, and comment, and help the channel. Yes, guys. I'll be trying to post, like, every, like, Mondays, and, like, every Thursdays, and, yeah. Where are the people? Okay, I saw some shooting. Yeah, yeah, it's still going on, guys. Still going on. Let's hope I can make it there in time. Okay. I honestly feel like from the last video, like, to this video, I've improved. I know I keep on saying that, but yeah, I trust myself. Okay. Not sure if there's anyone here. Oh, these people are right here. Oh, found them, found them. One down. Oh. Okay. Good start, good start. 5 kills already, guys. Good start. Oh, oh, what if, like, I actually come out, or I win the victory with, like, 15 kills? That would be crazy, though. Whoa, like, that would be crazy sick, guys. Uh, I need to upgrade my gun. Oh yeah, and guys, like, tell me, oh, someone's shooting me. Guys, tell me, like, rate if you've been playing Fortnite, like, these days with the new update, guys. Tell me how would you, like, reckon this new update, because, like, I'm not sure about these weapons. Where's this guy? Oh, got them. Oh, Spider-Man versus, I mean, it's Miles Morales. One. Oh yeah, I got it. So, like, Gwen beat Miles. I'm not sure. So come on. Let me see. Okay, there's more shooting. More shooting. I wonder why, but, like, my Fortnite's glitching. I'm not sure. I mean, it's lagging. I'm not sure why. But yeah, there's some shooting straight ahead. Oh yeah, there. I found them. They're actually trying to shoot me. And guys, like, rate my building. Ooh, slick kill. That was dope. Okay. And guys, I'm sure you can see it's only shotguns. So, oh, 7 kills. Actually, okay. I think there's someone here, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to that danger, or is it even danger? But nothing's danger for me, or nothing's dangerous for me, if I can say it like that. So they're shooting this side. Where are they? Can I see them from here? They're shooting me. Oh, I found them, guys. I'm dropping. Ooh, shit. Okay, so I'm sure they're wondering, where is this dude? Look at the skill. Oh, where are they? There's no one. Where are these people? Guy, like I just lost them, and I had a clear view on them. Okay, they'll pop up when they want to. No problem. I see more shooting. Oh, the ice. I honestly feel like the ice is my home. Just watch this kill, guys. And rate it for me on a scale of 1 to 10 in the comments below. What? Oh, they killed that person. Ah, so sad. So like there's 3 shields. Oh, the storm. Ah, I actually don't like the pump shotgun, cause like it really doesn't do it for me, guys. Like it takes too much time like to reload and like even to shoot, cause like you'll be shooting already, but there's the gun taking its own time trying to shoot, but it won't be shooting. So like, yeah, guys, I don't like that gun. And like there's 35 people left, and out of those 35 I only need 3. Okay, what's forming there? What's this? Oh, who's this? Is this Meowsis? Ah, Meowsis. I've like actually wanted this skin, guys, for long, and like I'm not sure where to buy it. There's no shotgun. Okay, they're shooting. Not sure if they were shooting me or Meowsis. Or maybe it was just a mistake. Like there's really no one here, guys. Like honestly, no one. And you know me, guys. Like I love violence. Nah, I'm not gonna play it. Risky. Let me just check like around here. Okay, this is just... Oh, someone. I found them. Okay, guys, yeah. This is for the 8th kill. Rate this kill out of 10. What? No! This person wants to take my kill. Okay, guys. So like... Oh. I'm gonna catch them. So they tried running and they were like low on their life. But I got them. 9 kills, guys. Tell me in the comment section below, what did you think about the 8th kill? Please just drop a like and subscribe, guys, if you've made it so far in the video. No! Okay, they're shooting up here. Oh, like they were just near, guys. What? Okay. I like tend to get nervous, guys, when I see like some people shooting each other. But then at the end of the day, guys, it's violence. Watch this. Oh, what a kill. What a kill, guys. And that time I'm like only using green shotguns, guys. Like, nah, I'm too sick. I'm gonna honestly like try to get the W on this one, guys. Cause like only shotguns, it is tough, but then not much people have done it before. But yeah, let's do. Oh, someone shooting me.
Yo.
Okay, I saw. Oh, one. That was too easy. Okay, for the 12th kill, guys. Oh, I popped them with like a 80, guys. Where are they? Guys, this is like scary, honestly. No! So guys, like I died, but I honestly feel like we can try again, guys. Cause like we honestly need like the W to complete this challenge. And like I'm gonna keep on trying and trying until I get the W. So this video is gonna go on and on unless we get the W, guys. And please like just if you've made it till this part of the video, guys, please can you just drop a W in the comments below, guys. And then like just like yeah, just a W. Or if it's able, you can just put like a crown if it's able. So yeah, guys, you saw I died. I placed 16th. So like I'm not really sad about that because after all I was only using like shotguns, and like I feel like I can actually do it because like I've made it so close, so meaning it's possible for me to do it. And yeah, let's go. So same old place, landing there again. And like actually, guys, tell me like how I played last round because like I actually trust myself that I played like good because it was only with shotguns. And like yeah, so let's jump down into it. Like yeah, come on. Let's go. 10 kills again, guys. I'm gonna be challenging myself to only getting like 10 kills again, cause last round I passed that limit. I got 12 kills, and that was like pretty much good. Like it was good. But we're gonna try again and again. But I'm sure this is like I'm only gonna need like 2 attempts like to do this challenge. There's no need for like a lot of challenge. Or even imagine, guys, like winning a battle royale without any guns. Like, do you think that's even possible, guys? Without like no kill, no weapons or anything, but you just win a victory royale. I'm not sure if that's possible, but I feel like that's happening to me right now. Damn, no guns, not even a shotgun. Shotgun, yes. Okay, I found one. We're gonna want the action now. We can't like actually find anyone. And I'm sure like, oh no. So like, oh no. Okay. I just took some like damage from the fire that I hit myself with. That was like really dumb. But okay, they're shooting. They're shooting this side. I feel like if I was using like, okay, did it? I feel like if I was using an assault rifle, like I could have been getting a whole lot number of kills. So like, that I think there's someone else that are shooting me. 'Cause, like I just heard shooting. No shotgun. Like nobody wants to use a shotgun this round. Okay, there's more shooting this side. Oh, I found them. I saw them already. And like, tell me guys, am I allowed to use the briefcase? Oh, these people look like they suck. No!
Yeah, get that one, he's hard, get that one. Yeah, that one. Come on, boy. Well done.
Oh! That was slick. I feel like, oh yeah, shotgun at least. My new motto is violence. I know it's a bad thing to say, but yeah, it's violence. Only in Fortnite though. Cause like, I'm not actually someone that would like violence. Okay, I wonder how. I'm full. I bet there's a chest. Yeah. Shotgun. Nothing. Damn. It's like Fortnite. Only this round just like hid away the shotguns from me. Like only me, guys. Okay, I'm out. I saw like some shooting this side. Not sure if it's still happening. Yeah, there was some shooting here. Oh, I see them. So like, which one? Okay, I'm gonna go with this top one first, guys. Like, guys, I can only hear like footsteps. Oh, they are. Maybe just cover for them. Found them. Oh, I got them. No! Damn. Guys, I died again. No, no, no. Ish. Okay, guys. I'm gonna keep on trying, guys, until we get the W. So yeah, guys. That's my motto. Never give up. So let's keep on trying, guys. I'm not sure if I can't do it next round. I think I'm gonna have to stop the video, guys. Cause maybe it's not my time to do it with shotguns, but SMGs, maybe I'm supposed to do it with SMGs. Who knows, guys? And yes, guys, please can you also go and check out one of my subscribers, Sleek7 Gaming, guys. Just please can you go and subscribe to his account, and I mean his channel, and go and watch his videos, because I think he's also posting, or he or she is posting football videos like FIFA, if you know what's FIFA, and also some Fortnite videos, guys. So yeah, guys, don't forget to check that channel out, guys, and don't forget to subscribe to that channel. Yes, guys, please. Okay, this is what I mean. If I can't do it this round, I'm honestly quitting the video, cause nah, this is too hard. It's too hard. So I honestly think I'm just gonna quit the video. I honestly think, guys, if I can't do it, I'm just gonna quit the video, guys. Yeah, but if we do win it, oh guys, I feel like I'm gonna shout like I won the World Cup or something. But I'm gonna shout, guys. Okay, U-turn. Ah, can I make it on top? Can I make it on top? No, I couldn't. Ah, I was about to take that gun. I don't think there's any shotguns on top there. Yes, at least one shotgun. And guys, I know I'm not allowed to use the briefcase to help me kill. I'm not sure if I can use the rocket to get away from some danger. If I could see some danger, but yeah, some danger. Shotgun. Oh, I see someone. Yes, I'm about to go to them, guys. I see them. They're on top of this house. I'm not sure if they left. Do you think? Oh, they're there. But this is not them. Oh, 26. 124. There's someone else, guys, that I saw. I'm not sure if it was Dash Fish dude. But okay. Okay. I saw some shooting around here, but I'm not sure. And then, guys, I know I'm gonna try. If nah, this challenge is actually tougher than I thought. And if you guys do play Fortnite, guys, just like try this challenge out. I'm actually challenging all of the most of the people that play Fortnite to try to win a battle royale, and like after like you've won it or after you failed, tell me in the comments down below, guys, if you've done it. Oh, yes, someone, yes, someone. Not okay, not in this house, but they that side. I wonder who they're shooting. I'm sure you can see them, guys, in the distance. Oh, they're running away. I'm not sure if... Oh, yeah. It's them. 1, 2. 2. Look at this kill. Haha. Oh, I found them. What a kill, guys. Whew. I'm looking for the last shotgun, guys. Like, I always like to hold the collection of like all the 3 shotguns, but I'm not sure where is it. Seems like these people have been fighting. Oh, guys, tell me, am I allowed to use like this My Hero Academia thing, like the chest, or like I'm only allowed to use like the shield? Cause I can see. Oh, here's it. Okay, to make this challenge fair, guys, I feel only the shield, guys. Like, just to be fair. Nothing else, the shield only. Yeah, it might suck, but I know. But this My Hero Academia, guys, tell me, like, would you say it's a good thing or it's a bad thing that they put it in Fortnite? Cause like, I honestly feel like the weapon, the shooting one, the weapon, guys, like the shooting one that goes like, like it makes a lot of noise, guys. Like I can make it, but yeah, like it. I feel like it just. Oh, someone. I feel like it just lets other people that you like around, but it's annoying, guys. That's what like I think. Okay, guys, let me make a deal. If I can make it to like top 5 and I don't win a battle royale, guys, well, we have to count that, guys. Ooh, what a kill. GG's. Oh, here's the 4th one. 4th shotgun. Let's go. Like, as I was still saying, guys, I have to count that as a kill. I'm not as a kill, sorry. I have to count that as a W. Cause like, it's only shotguns, guys, like, and I've been trying. This is my 3rd attempt in trying only shotguns. So yeah, guys. Top 5, guys. Only shotguns. Let's try. Ah, I would honestly take that Cobra. Which one's closer? This one on the left. Let me go and destroy. Okay, I see them. I missed him. Shot one. Shot another one. Just some shooting, yeah. Where is this place? Yeah, it's this side. One down. Oh! Wasn't that Kid Leroy? That skin was fire, honestly. That was actually a dope Kid Leroy skin. Or tell me if I'm wrong, guys, in the comments. But I honestly feel like it's fair that I can ask this guy, I'm not sure what his name, Mr. Sharky. That's what I'm gonna call him. Mr. Sharky. I honestly think that it's fair if I can ask him for help to win it for you guys. It's like, oh yeah, guys, I even forgot. I hit the 10 mark, guys. The 10 kill mark. Oh, someone's shooting me. Where's this person? Oh, found him. Okay, I never. Oh yeah, I found him. No, I never found him. I found him. What? There's two. What? There's three guys. Okay. Woo! That was good. That was honestly good, guys. I just killed like a full party. Okay. I saw like more shooting. This side. Oh yeah, let me. Oh, I found him. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, the storm is closing in. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna try like to get to top 5 at least, please. And I've reached like 14 kills. Ah, it took some of my life. Ish. Okay, I feel like I'm just gonna like try to enter the storm, but like by going around. Oh yeah, guys. Oh, okay. Someone has spotted me. One. Ooh, good kill. Come on. Ah, that was the 15th one, guys. Oh, That's just a pot. Okay, I'm just gonna. Honestly, this bot has aim, guys. I never like expected that from a bot. Okay, like the storm is closing in. And guys, there's 16 people left. Yes, 16. It's like honestly nerve-wracking. Ish, Frenzy Field. I don't like Frenzy Field. But okay, I'm just gonna go like around it. If it's possible. Oh, seems like there's some shooting here. I first have to identify the target. Okay. I'm not sure where are these people that are shooting each other. Yeah, someone! Oh, 1-4. Yes! Come on, guys. And you know, I'm taking their crown. Yeah, they dropped me a good gun. Honestly. Okay, where's my great gun? Let me just fix my loot. I think someone has been spotted. What are you doing, bruh? Come on, guys, come on. Okay. This is, guys, this is scary. Like, so like, what happens, guys? Since I picked up a crown that is not mine, and like, look at these nice guns, guys. What is this one? Shockwave launcher. I'm not really sure what a shockwave launcher, but okay. I'm just gonna leave it. This is nerve-wracking. 8 people left. So guys, if I can like just make it to 5 people left, I won the challenge, or I beat the challenge. And I actually don't like it when like people start shooting me from far range. And that time like I don't have any gun. Okay, he's shooting this side. I don't have any gun like to shoot them that is also a far range. So if I can kill both of these people, it's gonna be like the last 7. Okay guys, last 6 people remaining. Okay, I can see like there's some shooting this side. There's a lot of shooting this side. 5 people left! Guys, so I made it! My voice is like actually changing, guys. Okay. Yes. Yes. Come on, guys. Last 3 people left. Nah, I'm gonna build, guys. The pressure is honestly on now. It is on. I know there's gonna be like some people running around. Okay, let me just reload all my guns. This is nerve-wracking. And yes, guys, as you can see, like, I've made it to last 3 and I have 19 kills left, guys. That's big, guys. 19 kills only with shotguns. Nah, I can be proud of myself because like 19 kills. Whoa. Okay, let me just check. Nah, I'm not sure what to do, guys. Oh, I saw shooting. I'm just gonna run there. Ah. Oh, yes, one of them, guys. Yes! Guys, I done it! I finally done it! Yes, guys! So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video! How many kills did I get? 20 kills, guys! That's big, and on top of that, I completed the challenge! Thank you, guys. Only using shotguns. I recommend you to do that. And guys, don't forget to watch all of my other videos that I've posted. And guys, please subscribe, and I'll check you in the next one. Bye.